Base44. We're gonna try this new website app builder. You hear it everywhere. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Is it base or is it basic? That's the question we're gonna answer today. So I'm gonna test Base44 out with a web idea. I wanted to make a detailed timesheet for my company, right? I wanted to input employee name, classification, ID number, project tasks, and then output it all within a downloadable Excel spreadsheet. So let's see if we can do it. I actually wanted to make it an even more optimized prompt. So I took what I wanted and then I put it into ChatGPT and I told him to optimize my prompt for Base44 and it gave me this output. So this is what we are going to be putting into Base44. Alright, I have my optimized prompt in here. Develop productivity. You can style it. Styling instructions. Ooh, you know what? Use this style. Alright, so we chose our style. Let's see what it can create. Alright, we're back. After I say like 4.5 to 5 minutes, it gave me this, which first impressions, it's not bad. So let's play around with it and see if it can actually do what we want it to do. And this is in its desktop mode. So we can click on the mobile mode too. So manage projects. Every time I try to click on something that would give me an external page, it says, this means that the AI hasn't implemented this page yet. Ask it to implement it in the chat. So let's see if we can do that. Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I said implement the manage settings / projects page and all clickable links to another page. So okay, after like 2 minutes, it actually understood me because here when I click on manage projects, it actually gives me some like rough projects to work on them now. What is this? Turn on and off the status probably, yes. Classification, so I can classify, I can add a classification now. Okay, nice. This is looking better. Let's just say add a task for this project. Let's say that. And training. Alright, so we got one task. We should make time entry on the same page. Okay, after exploring around, I want to make a few adjustments, like make the time entry on the same page as the dashboard, combine them together, and make it into like a calendar with tables in each day for many optional projects and hours to be inputted. Oh, and after a few minutes, it didn't really seem to have changed that or understood what I meant, unfortunately. And I have ran out of daily credits for today, so that's all I can do. Okay, so we can also at least share it. You can send it to a colleague, and that doesn't require us to upgrade it yet. You could probably even publish it. Okay, so all in all, I would say that Base44, it kind of lives up to the hype. Not fully, but I feel like it's just based on the inputs and your prompts. Like the better the prompt, the more structure. Maybe if you give an example, it will do a lot better. They also need to give you just a little bit more credits to work with so you can like adjust things. But we can click on the plan and view how much it is. Ooh, that is very expensive. $160 for Elite, $80 for Pro, $40 for Builder, $16 for Starters. All right. Overall, what I think of Base44, I would give it like a solid 7 out of 10. It is quite easy to use. If you have a good prompt, you can make something that is above what I expected, honestly. It just didn't work exactly, but yeah, just tweak around with your prompts, what you want, and eventually it should be able to make quite an app, a website for you that you can have a dashboard, preview it in mobile or desktop. You can share it, you can publish it, you can upgrade your plan. With Base44, you could probably build an app in an app or a website in 20 minutes or less. Like, subscribe for more videos with catching up with AI.